I recently asked Google what the average interest rate was on an auto loan.
Rates range from 8.99% to 16.44% APR with auto pay.
Wow, no wonder car payments are so high. But after you pick yourself up off the floor, take a look at this exclusive offer from the Sunset Auto family. In cooperation with Sound Credit Union, get 6.99% APR. Unprecedented extended term financing for up to 84 months. Now this means lower payments than you have right now. Plus, with 120% loan to value, you could get into that new or pre-owned vehicle with little or nothing out of your pocket down. In fact, you'll have no payments for 90 days. It's unprecedented. And a Sunset Auto family exclusive. Sunset Chevrolet and Sunset Ford of Sumner, Sunset Kia of Auburn, and Sunset Mitsubishi in Auburn. Lower payments with 6.99% APR financing for up to 84 months. Plus, Sunset's exclusive oil changes for life and warranty protection for life, saving you thousands more down the road. See soundcu.com or sunsetautofamily.com for complete details. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.